Hi friends, in this video, let's now explore the ribbons of our Access database. For this purpose, I have a ready-made database with me which has all the objects in our Access database such as the tables, queries, forms and reports. Since I want to show you some stuff which can be shown only with a ready database, I'm going to use it. So going to the home button, let's click on Access, and over here I'll click on this recent database, or you can also open other files. Let's do that. Open other files. I like to browse my file, and this is the XYZ Foods Limited database, which is a ready database I have with me, and I'm going to open that. What you need to do is just double click on it, and here it is. You can see there are a few objects available. I have 3 tables: contracts, customers, invoices. I have a few queries that have been prepared, forms and reports. Now let's have a look at how the Access 2016 interface works. Across the top are the ribbons containing all the Access commands. There are 4 important tabs which we need to take care of: Home, Create, External Data and Database Tools. Let's now understand each one of them and how they can be used. Under the Home tab, this is the Home ribbon. This will help us use a few options which we'll now explore in order to active them, because now you will see that all the commands are transparent, which means you cannot use any of them. So we'll open one of these tables, which is contracts, and now you'll see all of them are highlighted. So now I'll be able to easily explain you what it means. So under the Home ribbon, if we have opened the table, this is the view. The very first left hand corner that you can see is the view. If you click on this arrow over here, it will tell you that there are 2 views that are available to this table. One is the data sheet view, which is as of now selected. This is the data sheet view of the table. We also have the design view. If you click on the design view, the same table has opened up, but in another view. This is known as the design view. If you want to go back, you can click on this down arrow and again click on data sheet view. If you notice, there are 2 halves to this button. The first half will help you toggle through the views. So you just click on the first half and you can toggle through the views. The second half will help you choose any of the view. So you can use any of them according to your convenience. The next thing that you see is the clipboard. The clipboard group is where you will find commands for cutting, copying, pasting and use the format painter. We'll talk about these groups. Then we also have the sort filter, where you can arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Okay, and on the other side we have these text formatting group. These names that you find over here are basically group names which tell us what those tools perform. Okay, since this group is called the text formatting group, you will find that everything related to text formatting is there. You can choose the font, what font you want, what font size you want, whether you want to make it look bold, italic, or you want to underline a font. If you want to give any color to the font, you want to give any fill to the shape, or you want to provide any background color, that can be done. Also, you have option to align your text towards left, center, right. You have various bullet options as well. Okay, so everything related to text formatting is provided under this one group. Also, you will see that there's a little box here at the end which says datasheet formatting. If you click on this, this is called as a launcher. So once you click on it, this full dialog box will appear, wherein you will find additional commands for that particular function. Okay, so this is the Home tab. Coming to the Create tab, it has all the commands for making new tables, new queries, new forms, new reports and also macro. Okay, so whenever you want to create a table or any of the other objects in the Access database, you can just go to this Create tab and create it. Next is the External Data tab. This contains all the tools for importing your information into the database from other programs, and then also exporting the database out of your database into other useful formats. For example, if you want to import a Excel into your Access, a Access into Access, a ODBC database, text file, XML file, and there are also other options. So that can be easily done using the External Data tab in the Import and Link. Similarly, we have the Export. If you want to export data from the Access to any of these formats, it can be done very easily. So all these database tools contains those functions which can help you manage your database very effectively. We're going to see all of them in the due course of time. Also, we have this right arrow right here, this little right arrow. If you click on it, you will be able to hide the ribbon. Okay, so this is how you can hide your ribbon. If you click on database tools again or any of the tabs, you'll be able to again see. If you want to pin that again, you just need to click on pin, and now it is constantly available to you. So whenever you have any space related adjustments that you need to make to your Access database, you need more space, you can close this. If that is not an issue, you can pin it. Okay, now because this table is open in front of you, this contracts table, you will see that there are two table tools that are again available. One is the fields and one is table. Okay, these color tabs have some commands which modify as per the object. If you open a form, there will be other tabs that come naturally with that object. Okay, now if you click on this triangle over here, you will be able to collapse your navigation pane. This is the navigation pane. If you want it back, you can again click it. We'll see the navigation more in the next tutorial. Let's now understand something related to the forms. Let's click on this form. Okay, now when you click on this form, you will notice that there are records over here. So this is basically the record number. There are 29 records in this form, and you are on the very first record. In case you want to move on to the next record, you need to click on this arrow and you will find that you are moving to the next record. There's this button over here which will take you to the very first record, and similarly there's a button over here which will take you to the very last record. There's one more button which has a yellow spark. If you click on that, it will create a new blank record. Also, you will find this search dialog box over here. You can mention a specific record over here and quickly it will be available for you. Also, you have various options to view your datasheet in different views, such as the design view, the datasheet view, the form view. So you can toggle between the views from this right hand corner. Also, if you right click on any of the object that is open, you have various options. Again, you can change or toggle your views. You can click on save. You can close that particular tab. If you click on close all the objects that are open will get closed. With this, I'm sure you'll be very much comfortable with the Access layout. Let's now learn to use them after we see what is navigation pane in the next video.